when trying to find the slope from a graph, it's important to find 2 points on the same line. And you want to always start from the point that's furthest to the left. So on this particular one, we can see that we have a positive slope. So I'm going to start, we have 2 points that we can see here, and we are going to count up, which is our rise. We count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And then I am going to run on the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. So when it's a positive slope, we do rise over run. So my rise from the first point to the second point was 6, and my run on the x-axis was 4. When simplified, you get 3 halves. So on this graph that you see here, this one is a negative slope. So it's kind of tricky if you're trying to think about rising. If we're going from left to right, and if we use that whole thinking of rise over run, it kind of gets us a little confused a little bit, because it's not really a rise per se. It's still on the y-axis. So what I like to say, instead of saying rising, I like to say a drop, because it's a negative slope. As you can see, from left to right, it's decreasing, it's dropping. So from the point that's furthest to the left, I am going to drop 1, 2, 3. And since I'm dropping on the y-axis, that's why it's a negative integer. So my drop was 3, which is negative 3 on the y-axis. Then to join up with the second point, I'm going to run on the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I dropped 3 and I ran 7. So that's how we get the ratio negative 3 over positive 7.